So initially we were creating vectors using this format where we put in the numbers ourselves, 90, but then what if we have to put in like we want a vector with number from 1 till 100, we want 1 2 3 4 5 6 until 100, then it's going to be difficult to actually like declare a variable like this or vector like this. So we use the format of this and then that and then. So what this says is we want numbers from 0 till 100 separated by 1. So between each number there's 1 between them. What am I even saying? Let's run the code and see what happens. So we have a vector with 1 until 100, but we could also say we want them to be separated by 5. So then we have this vector with 0 5 10 15 20, and we could also say we want the numbers to be separated by 4.5 even, and we will still get a vector with the numbers that are separated by 4.5. So this is when we know where to start, where to end, and the distance between each value, right? That's one way of declaring a vector. And then the other way is using line space, which is a method that takes in where we start. Let's say we start at 1 and we end at 100, or we can start at 0 and end at 100, and let's say we want 5 values between 0 and 100. So then when we run this should give us line space. It's len space. Let's run the code again. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 between 0 and 100, and it also includes 0 and 100, but we could also say we want 500 values between 0 and 100, and that would give us evenly spaced values between 0 and 100. So that is that for creating vectors quickly. So the first method is when you know how many values you need. No, len space is for when you know how many values you need, and the first method that we were using, this is when you know how much you want the values to be separated by. So yeah, that is that. What have I done even? Okay, so this prints out. So here I said I want numbers between 0 and 8000 separated by 100, so 100, and that's it.